Whether it's too hot or too cold, who doesn't like to stay comfortable and cozy in their house? At least we do. To get control over your sweet home's temperature or beat some nasty cold spots that need to be regulated, you might be thinking, is it essential to set up a thermostat in every single room? Well, that's exactly what we will try to explain. So without any further ado, let's get started. Human bodies have self-regulating mechanisms to keep the body temperature stable, but our sweet home does not. To keep the interior temperature balanced, a thermostat can do the rest. As it is designed to provide constant heat during chilly winters to dry summer, this means when the ambient is too cold, our thermostat switches on the heating so things quickly warm up. Once the temperature reaches the level we've set, it switches the heating off so we don't boil. A thermostat, especially a smart one, can deliver tons of benefits such as less monitoring, improved zone, less stress on your HVAC, and more to ensure you can stay comfortable. But all of these credits might be beneficial if you have a small or mid-sized house or apartment. However, if you have a large house or live in a duplex house, then a single thermostat is not able to keep the environment temperature balanced or constant. In this case, you need multiple devices, which may cost a fortune. Additionally, you can follow some hacks to reduce the add-to-cart price, and we'll describe them later in a separate video. When it's time to talk about efficiency, nothing can beat a smart thermostat. It's fully customizable features and it's built to save energy bills way less than a traditional or programmable unit. Through specialized communication systems, including hub, Zigbee, and voice assistants, you can control and monitor your thermostat from a decent space while you will enjoy more comfort in your home. If you have ample living space, you can also integrate it with other smart home appliances to expand your experience. To heat up or cool down an entire apartment or house, energy is a must. Unfortunately, the more energy used during heating and cooling, the higher the utility bills will be. That's where a smart thermostat comes in and works as an effective system to provide comfort level temperature, saving money in the process. But how exactly a thermostat saves your energy and bill? It doesn't have any living brain, right? Well, turns out it's AI. Through built-in learning algorithms, a smart thermostat can learn your settings preference and temperature schedules. Plus, its geofencing capabilities or third-party integration can detect when you are at home or frequently used areas to manage temperature efficiently, thus saving your energy. The system can also understand the time it takes to heat individual rooms based on the historical data from your home and outside temperature, so that everyone can enjoy their own comfort level. Okay, the question that still may remain in your head, is it really necessary to have thermostats for every single room? Well, it depends on your preferences and how large your living space is. If you have a single room with decent appliances, then a solo temperature control is more than enough for you. But on the other hand, if you have a large apartment, live in a duplex house, or need to cover multiple floors simultaneously, you need multiple thermostats to chill up or heat up the interior. So thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.